Is AI about to code you out of your job, or will it supercharge your career as an engineer who leverages intelligent systems and leads the next evolution of software? We're going to explore how you can actively thrive with AI and not just keep up. Hi, I'm Edna. Welcome to my channel. I help software professionals grow their career and become more productive by using AI powered tools and workflows. I've been in tech for over a decade now, and I've experienced it all: the promotions, a layoff, and also burnout. I never forget the morning when I realized I suddenly lost access to my work account. So I thought, man, I must have finally broken VPN by having too many browser tabs open. But then the Slack messages started coming in, and I realized I wasn't alone. That moment shaped my career, and I decided to create this space for real talk and real growth. I publish new videos every week on my channel, so make sure to hit that subscribe button so you won't miss out. AI is not a hype, it is here today, and it is refactoring boilerplate at lightning speed and also automating a major portion of the new production code at some of the largest companies in the world. Microsoft has reported that AI automates 30% of their new production code. So, as you can see, the real shift isn't just that AI is automating some routine development. It is in the fact that your real value comes from your system design skills, problem solving, software architecture, and above all, ensuring that the solutions make sense based on context. Satya, Microsoft CEO, believes that with AI, the future of software engineers will become software architects. In other words, you will be designing and architecting systems instead of just building it and implementing and coding it. That portion will be done by AI. If you're enjoying my video so far, I would really appreciate it if you could like, comment, and share it. Also, if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel now. It will really be helpful because it will help the channel grow, but also to show this content to others who might find it helpful. And in return, I will answer all of your comments, but also here's a cute video generated by AI. Okay, by the way, make sure to stick around until the end because I have a silly dad joke waiting for you. Let's go over some practical steps that you can implement today. First, deploy and fine tune an AI assistant in your workflows for coding. Choose an AI coding assistant such as GitHub Copilot or GPT-4, Cursor, Windsurf, and use it and integrate it into your main IDE. Then use it not just for code generation and completion, but also for PR reviews, for test generation, and even suggesting documentation. I know of teams that used a AI coding assistant, AI agents, for reviewing their PRs, and it was able, I think, to catch like 70% of their formatting errors, and therefore it freed them up, right? Instead of that, to make actual architectural system level improvements. Step number two, make sure to upgrade your system design skills. I would recommend you block out a few hours every week on your calendar and also spend it on your or any open source project that is relevant to your tech stack. Then go ahead and sketch high level data flows or architecture diagrams. Also, I recommend if there are any architecture review meetings at your company, ask to join those. And in the beginning, you can just listen and then you can ask about those trade offs and how those decisions were made about your system. By the way, I have two videos on how to make trade off decisions on system design level. So feel free to go over those. There's 10 that I covered. Step number 3, master advanced prompt engineering. Don't just go there and throw random vague requests and prompts to your AI assistant, or as a matter of fact, any generative AI like chatbots and things like that. Make sure you document it, test it, and refine it and perfect it. And then save a library of those for your coding tasks so you can keep coming back to them for more efficiency. I have a experimental. So go ahead and try asking your AI assistant to generate integration tests for a piece of code that you wrote around risky edge cases. Keep trying it until you get it perfected. But also, sometimes you can consider multi-step prompting, which is basically first you ask it to generate your code, then you move into asking it to do to give you the risks around your code, and then maybe documentation. By the way, I have a video on prompt engineering for you right here, so make sure you check it out. A very quick tip, never accept and commit blindly what AI generates. Make sure that it doesn't add any performance issues or any security vulnerabilities, but also that it follows the business logic that is required for your code and for your feature. Step number 4, which is our last step, build production intelligence and observability. Incorporate monitoring for all of your code, which I'm sure you probably already do, but also specifically those AI generated production code. Use LLM based anomaly detection so that in your logs, so that you can get alerted on those and get ahead of those failures. Before I let you go, I want to reiterate that the adoption of AI coding assistants has skyrocketed, with Copilot, GitHub Copilot being the lead among devs, very closely followed by Tab9 and GPT based tools. It's not just that, the skill demand has dramatically shifted over the last 5 years. The routine code development is down, but the system design, the prompt engineering, the AI validation and governance is on the rise. If you enjoyed my video, I would really appreciate it if you can hit that like button and also comment and share. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, please go ahead and do that now, because it does help to grow the channel and show this content to others who might find it helpful. And now I leave you, like I always do, with a joke, because life is too short not to laugh. Why did the AI break up with the algorithm? There were just too many unresolved dependencies, and so it just couldn't compute the relationship anymore. I know.